Good afternoon, fellow students, teachers, and principals. In this week, in the Leader in Me, we have been learning habit number 5. Seek first to understand, then to be understood.
We learned that there are 3 ways leaders should listen. First, leaders listen with their ears. Second, with their eyes. And third, with their heart. What does it mean to listen with your ears, eyes, and heart?
When one listens with ears, this means that more than hearing what the other person is saying, they really understand what was said.
When one listens with eyes, this means that one should look at the other person who was talking. This shows that you're all interested with what they all say.
When one listens with heart, that shows you care about the person talking and that what he or she is telling you is important to you. Now we are going to present a role play about habit number 5. Seek first to understand, then to be understood. Please listen with your ears, eyes, and heart.
Arshia needs help. Her friend is hurt. She needs to talk to someone. Jaden, I need to talk to you.
Sorry, Arshia, I don't have time right now. You see, I'm playing a game now.
Jaden does not even look at Arshia as he says sorry. So Arshia finds someone else. Pradosh, I need to talk to you. Pradosh, my friend is hurt. We need help.
Okay, but do you want to play basketball now?
Pradosh is looking at Arshia, but he does not seem interested with what Arshia is saying. So Arshia approaches Miu. Miu, I need to talk to you.
What is it, Arshia?
My friend is hurt and we need help. Oh, sorry to hear that. Come, let's go and help her. Miu listens to Arshia. She listens with her eyes, ears, and her heart. So Arshia felt understood. It feels good to have someone listening to me.
When someone listens to us with their ears, eyes, and heart, it makes us feel good. It makes us that they care about us. Also, we need to listen to other people with our ears, eyes, and heart.
Yes, always remember what the cookie wants to say.
Eyes watching, ears listening, mouth quiet,
Body calm.
Black and white cookie belt.
Oh boy, oh, me want that belt so bad. Oh, what me have to do?
In order to learn Biscate Karate, you must listen with your whole body. Eyes watch, ears listen, voice quiet, body calm.
Yeah, me good listener, Mr. Me Cookie.
Sometimes it's hard for me to see how others can think so differently, but I'll do my best to come around. Ignore my pride and put myself into the shoes of someone else. Maybe a better way can be found. I'll seek first to understand, and then to be understood. To listen is my I talk because I want to know your thoughts. Empathy is caring how you feel. Before I say a single word, I'll make sure that everyone else is heard. And then communication can be real. I'll seek first to understand.
Thank you all for listening with your ears and eyes and heart.